Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video, I will be going over how to enter your e-file number and password. Once you have launched TaxTron, find the Tools option at the top of the window and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, where you should select Preferences. This will open the Preferences window. Inside the Preferences window, navigate to the Preparer tab and scroll down until you reach the Miscellaneous heading. Under this heading, you will find fields labeled e-filer number and e-filer's password. Enter your e-file number in the corresponding field and input your e-filer's password in the provided field. Afterward, click on OK to save the changes you have made. You have now successfully entered your e-file number and password and are ready to start preparing returns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.